operations of ZARA company. ZARA is the largest clothes company in Spain. It is a Spanish apparel retail based in Arteco in Galicia. ZARA is founded in 1957 by Amancio Ortega. In 1980, Ortega changed the design, the manufacturing, the distribution process to reduce lead time. In 1990, the brand and store had expanded to United States, France, and most of Europe. At that time, ZARA has recorded to 65,000 stores across 88 countries in the world. The secret of ZARA's success likely because of the way it keeps up with street fashions that influenced by the trends changing. The designer always create a new fresh look to put in the store every week, and that is how ZARA beat most of the brand and become the favorite brand among customers. Other than that, ZARA also produce men and women clothes and as well as children's clothing. All the clothes come from the center in Spain, and today ZARA has recorded over 450 million items produced.
Okay, today I will explain supply chain. Supply chain is a network between company and the supplier to produce and distribute a product to final buyer. After that, supply chain management also can define which is the process activity that change the raw material and create a product or service and delivery that product or service to customer. Next, supply chain management is important in operation management because operation management and supply chain management are expected to add value to the business, supporting more efficient process and driving better revenue for the company. About type of supply chain. First, we have integrated made to stock. What is integrated made to stock? Integrated made to stock is focus on tracking customer demand in real time so that the production process can restock the finished good inventory efficiently. Second, the type of supply chain is build to order. This type is requires careful management of the component inventory and delivery of needed supplier among the supply chain. Third is type of supply chain is continuous replenishment. This type is constantly replenish the inventory by working closely with suppliers. And lastly, the type of supply chain is chain assembly. In this type, the part of the product are gathered and assembled as the product moves through the distribution channel.
I will explain about a stage of supply chain. Supply chain has 5 stages. First, plan. Second, develop. 3, make. 4, delivery. And 5 is return. Okay, strategy of supply chain has 3. First, adopt a demand-driven planning and business operating model based on real-time demand insight and demand shaping. Second, build an adaptive and agile supply chain with rapid planning and integrated execution. Third, optimize product design and product management for supply, manufacturing, and sustainability to accelerate profitable innovation.
Okay, the next part is quality of report content. My name is Nurul Zulaika binti Fazilan and my matric number is 17A0607. So the supply chain that applied by the ZARA company is vertically integrated supply chain, where the design, production, distribution and retailing were integrated. So based on the slide above, there are 6 processes that are involved in the company of ZARA. Firstly, there are raw material, supplier, manufacturing, distribution, customer and consumer. For the raw material of ZARA, they buy the fabric with only 4 different color design and cut their fabric in the house. So the company purchased its raw material, which are fabric from the supplier in Italy, Spain, Portugal and Greece. The estimate time those supply delivery within only 5 days of order being placed. Generally, the inbound logistic is using by the truck. Secondly, is related to the supplier. Then for the ZARA suppliers, they are close to their factory. Therefore, ZARA can order on a need basis and move their product in this way, which ZARA have the distribution center called the cube. Additionally, the factory are connected to the cube by the underground tunnel with the high-speed monorail. Thus, the monorail system is being used to move cut fabric, dyeing fabric, and assembly into the clothing item to each factory. The clothes are ironed in the advice and packed on hanger with the security and price tag affixed. Furthermore, ZARA make with 50% of all items are manufactured in Spain, 26% in the rest of Europe, 24% in Asia and Africa. Also, third one is the manufacturing. For the design team come out with 1,000 design per month and 2 week per time. ZARA change their design. Nevertheless, the company design a new product and finish good in each store under 4 until 5 weeks.
My name is Nurul Shakira binti Roslan. My number entry is A17A0545. Okay, next process of supply chain management is distributions. Okay, ZARA distributions, they can deliver garments to store worldwide in a few days, like China 48 hours, Europe 24 hours, Japan 72 hours, United States 48 hours. It uses overnight truck to deliver to store in Europe and use air freight to ship to other countries. Next is customer. Okay, the customer determine that the item are shipped and arrive at the store already on hanger and with the tag and price them. In addition, ZARA pricing is market based, and then so item come off delivery truck and go directly on the sale floor. Lastly is the consumer. Okay, the case of ZARA, they have responsibility in order fulfillments and consumer certifications. They also improve their performance in according with the change in the demand of consumer.
My name is Muhammad Mustaqim bin Ali Sabri. My track number is A17A0282. Okay, the conclusion is the supply chain management is important for ZARA store, for small or large company as well. All the company must have supply chain management, and it's coming along with people idea from brainstorming in ways that didn't happen before. And supply chain management is always change trend to trend in the future, and ZARA store has a good strategy to overcome the challenge and to manage the flow and step of the supply chain management, because they have unlimited resources and countless workers with efficiency work.